Hello guys, welcome back to the Karen channel. Today I will be unboxing a new laptop. As you guys can see here, it is the HP laptop 15-DW2031ne. It doesn't have a specific model name, but this is the model name, just so. So without a further ado, let's start. Just cut off the tape on the top. Just give me some time. There it is. You can see the laptop. I'll take it out of the box. I'll keep it aside to keep the suspense on. If you want, you can just forward the video. Okay, so in this case, you get two chargers. I live in the Middle East, so I got a UK charger and the second type UK charger, which has 2 pins, and this is a 3-pin one. So let me put that aside, and nothing else. You just get one quick start guide, which is unfortunately in Arabic, not in English. Sorry for that. And that's all. Now here is the charger. It is a normal HP, what do you call it, a cylinder type charger. I don't know what you call this one though. And you get the 2-pin with the connector, so you can use any connector you want. I'll be keeping the 2-pin aside and I'll use the 3-pin one because that's my favorite. And now for the laptop itself. Really sorry for that. It is a great laptop. As you can see, it is slim and it looks really good. I'll remove these protection and I'll just take the laptop out of the box. Just look at it from the outside, how cool it looks. Tell me one laptop name which looks better than this in the comments. Okay, so for the IO ports, it has one RJ45 Ethernet jack, it has HDMI cable and USB-C 3.1. Keep a note, it is not Thunderbolt, so it technically it can be used for charging, but it will be really slow, so people actually say it cannot be used for charging. This side we have two USB-A 3.0, so basically no USB 2 in this one, and here is the charging port. Okay. Now for the specs, I will be putting them on the screen. Let me also tell you, it is Core i7 10th generation with 8 cores and 8 GB RAM, which is upgradable to 16, and MX330 NVIDIA GeForce MX330 with Intel Iris Plus graphics. So here's the laptop. Look how cool it looks. Seriously, I'm not joking, just have a look. Did you guys look? And for people thinking why I chose the trackpad with the buttons, it is because it is really useful for gaming. You know, I game a lot. For right click and left click, you don't need a mouse for it. And just you can see Core i7 10th generation with NVIDIA graphics. If you want me to recommend this, yes, it is a really good laptop. Look, it's light and it is really, like, laptops are meant to be portable, but this one is like a bit more portable than the gaming laptop I have, that is, you know, thick and strong. Okay, so now I turn on. It's NVMe SSD, so it should take less time. have the boot screen. Yes, there is a backlit keyboard too. I forgot to tell you that. And welcome. I set it up early, so I didn't show you guys the normal stuff, but have a look. It is smooth. Now to show you the main settings, I will just shut down the computer, and for HP I guess it is F2. I'll turn on and I'll show you the settings. I'll press all the buttons down here, F2, F10, F11. I did not press the power button. Okay, and as the HP symbol comes, I just press the button, and I hope you are in the BIOS. No, okay, so I cannot jump into the BIOS because I don't know anything about it right now. In ASUS it is F2, and in this one I don't know, so I'll just go to the properties of this PC. Oh my god, this laptop looks so great. Oh look, Core i7. If I can zoom this in video, yes, it's Core i7, 1.5 gigahertz, not gigs, sorry, and 8 GB RAM. And for the full specs, let me jump into the task manager. Performance, CPU, it is in 5% and the speed is already 2.7. It goes up to 4 point something and it has 8 cores. Memory is 8 GB, and this is the WD 512 gigs NVMe SSD. And there are two graphics. One is Intel Iris Plus and the other is GeForce MX 330, and the battery is 3 cell. It is superb. That was all for the review. Currently I will be uploading some gaming test videos on this, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe and catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye. Hey guys, welcome back. So I forgot something. I got this in-ear headset. This video is supposed to continue with the HP laptop unboxing video. In case I put it on the another video, just forgive me, alright? This is the in-ear headset 150 from HP. I got it with the laptop, so I'm gonna unbox it just for some content, you know. Alright, that was so mean. Alright, so here, this is the most elaborate stuff I have ever seen. You know, you get you get this manual with the earphone that is so man, I don't know what to say. Then here are the earphones. These are in ear, so you also get some tips. These are special tips. I have never seen these kind before. I'm gonna put this aside, and it has some serial number, and this is your headphone. I'm going to review this headphone later, so goodbye for now. Thank you.